That's not too bad, is it? With all the green shoots coming through.
Mongarlowe, Captain.
Yeah, heading to the cultural burn at Charlie's Forest Road on the Broad Gully site.
It's a community gathering, so it's not just about healing the country, it's healing yourself as well as a community.
There was a point during Black Summer where I didn't want to see another flame, but doing things like this, it becomes friendly again.
Where we can come together and work together like this is awesome, you know what I mean?
Just call him Mudge, alright Mudge. Mudge means my friend. Okay.
Fire is always your friend when you're cool burning.
The fire is a tool. It's got a circle of rehabilitation. It looks after Mother Earth and she will look after you.